Hi, and continuing with the theme of korban, or coming close to God, or offering, that we will continue. Just letting you know that we're giving you a Torah thought of approximately 3 minutes in length. Hope you review and refer to the given Torah source. Of course, the book of Leviticus cannot be given true feelings in a small segment as this, but just to point out some of the thoughts that go into it. The bringing of a korban in Hebrew, or meaning coming close to God, is the korban olo, where the entire offering is brought up on the altar, and it is burnt there if it is of an animal offering. And before we burn it, of course, we put the blood on the horns, representing ourselves, the blood that continuously flows on our veins, and then we walk it to the altar, coming close to God. And then we skin the animal so that the flesh resembles humans. And that is what the korban olah represents. And of course, we take the limbs, the head and the arms and the legs, and we put it on the altar to make us understand that through these limbs we might have transgressed, and we look at them and we see that they are significant, and that's the korban olah. But there are other offerings, and they don't have to be in animal form. They could be in a grain, they could be in a bird form, where you sanctify the bird, and there's a special slaughtering to that bird, and then we take the feathers and the that surround the crop and throw that to the side, because that is probably stolen merchandise, stolen food that the bird has eaten from different places, and then we throw the entire bird on the altar with the feathers, even though they give off a putrid smell. So those are some of the offerings, and we give them for transgressions and contrite, hopefully, and some are given as a korban asham, a guilt offering, but we don't know if we're completely guilty. They might have not been guilty, so the contriteness is not as strong. And then there are sin offerings for various reasons, and there's variable offerings, meaning that you can't afford the offering, and you have given a special dispensation of a smaller donation, so forth and so on. But the basic thought is that now that we do not have the temple, we can't bring offerings, and we have to time-consuming study of meticulous details, time-consuming studies of meticulous details, so that we can relive and awaken these thoughts in our mind and in our character. Thank you.